We can also use the editor as a tool to input text or colors into our final result. So to do that, let's remove this mask and start a new one. So let's say I want to do a 7-year anniversary graphic for a business I'm working with. We want to do like a cake design with text on it, which is something a little bit complex for all the AI tools available. This is why we need to use something like the editor tool here to kind of nudge AI in the right direction and make it give us exactly the results that we need. So I would start by starting with the square over here. Let's make a big one, and then let's just drop it down. Now this is kind of like Photoshop. You can just do Command C, Command V, and it's going to duplicate this square for you. So let's make it a little bit smaller, and let's give it another color. So let's say you want to make this one purple and the bottom one pink. Now if you double click on any layer, you bring it to the front. So let's keep this in the back and let's just layer it behind it. Let's do something like this. Let's do the same, Control C, Control V. We get another layer. Let's make it a little bit smaller, and let's just push it on top. Now we double click on this and then double click on this, and we know that this one is now at the back. So let's give this one a red color. Let's center it and do the same thing again. Let's make this one yellow, and the same thing, double click, and now we have it at the back. Now at this point we just need to add some text, so you can just go to the text tool over here and then just click anywhere. Let's say we want to write the number 7, and let's choose the font Montserrat, and let's make it bold and white. Now select the text and make it a little bit bigger like this, and now Control C, Control V to duplicate this layer. And let's say we want to write years over here, but let's choose, so let's go with Pacifico, and then let's center this over here and save. So now we have this image, and we want to use its colors and the text in it to influence the AI. So let's give it an image influence of 4. We need to use the image colors, so let's keep it at yes, and let's put the creative freedom at 5. For small details like text, I would always recommend using something like thin outline. And for the prompt, let's do something like birthday cake texture, empty clean background. And let's give the birthday cake texture 3 volts of importance, because we want to make sure that we get that in the result. And for the empty clean background, let's give it an importance of 1 volt. Let's make sure we choose 3D, and let's click generate. So this is the results we got with this input image. You can see that the text is readable, and it picked up the colors and the text from the input image, and that we got a usable graphic in a matter of minutes. We can always come back and edit it if you need to add your client's logo or change anything about it, change colors, composition. You can always come back to this editable sketch, and then can move things around and change colors to influence the final design. And you can always use the add image function here to add any extra graphics or logos that you need into the original design, and just replace it with your current layers. So this is pretty much it for the Logo Diffusion graphics editor, and see you guys in other videos on how to use Logo Diffusion.